Okay, hi. I am live again with a new week, new year. Hi, Gauri. Hi, Yellow Couch. Hi, tiny balcony. Can you guys hear me? Can somebody just put a thumbs up if you can hear me? Just let me know if you can hear me, like with a thumbs up or anything. Just tell me you can hear me. Hi, Mranmai Mukherjee. So, hi. Today's okay, perfect. I just wanted to make sure that everyone could hear me. Um, awesome. So yeah, I'm so excited about the first leap of faith for 2021. I have invited someone really special, somebody I'm a huge fan of, Gitanjali Kulkarni, whom I think a lot of us have watched in several movies, web series of late. I'm actually waiting for her to join us live. But meanwhile, I saw Sir yesterday. It's out on Netflix. So if you guys have not seen Sir, which is on Netflix, please do go and watch it. Apart from Gitanjali's acting, I think the whole film is made so beautifully. It is such a sensitive story. Like the way they've told the story is so beautiful that you must watch Sir, and especially now that it is in the on your mobiles and laptops. And here we have Gitanjali. She's here. I am just going to add her. And we have invited Gitanjali to join us today. Waiting for Gitanjali to accept the request. Yay!
Hi.
Hi, Gitanjali.
Hi. I tried to connect with on my laptop, but I couldn't, so I'm joining from my phone.
It's perfectly fine. And Maratha, you're super clear. At least I can
Yeah.
hear you clearly. Hopefully, everybody else also can.
Yeah.
And you figured it out, so not bad at all.
Yeah, at last.
No,
Yes.
awesome. Lovely. I'm so
Yeah.
excited that this is finally happening.
Me
And we
too.
are
Me too. Very
finally,
excited.
I know, super exciting. I was just telling everyone who's joined us till now, I watched Sir yesterday, and how amazing the film is, and how it has just left me with so much to think about.
Hmm.
Just from everything, from the way the film is made to also your character. Uh, so, did you manage to watch the film in the theaters at all?
In the theater, yeah, I watched it in the theater. Before that, also there was few screenings for Cast and Crew. I couldn't come, but yeah, I could see it in the theater. I wanted to see it in the theater,
Yeah.
and I could watch it. And now it's on Netflix, so I can watch it anytime.
Yes, and that's what
Yeah.
we did. I missed it in the theater, but I
Hmm.
feel like it's such a well-made film. Ki theater, wherever you watch it, it just leaves you with so much, like I said, to think about. So before we jump into leap of faith and all my questions, since we are talking about Sir, let's talk a little bit about it and your character
Absolutely.
of Lakshmi, and
Hmm.
how you approached it, how you lived her.
Yeah. Actually, you know what happens? It's like it was made in 2017 or 16, I think.
Hmm.
And so after 4 years, you really forget the process, and then especially when the character is so, small. In the sense, the length of the character is not much. Like if you ask
Correct.
me questions about court, I remember everything because the
Right.
process was so long. But
I
I
will.
remember, yeah, yeah. But the best part of Sir was when I met Rohena, when she narrated the story, I said, "I'm doing this film," and she was
Hmm.
surprised because the character was, as I said, it's a
Small.
supporting character, and the length was very small. So she said, "Are you sure?" I said, "Yes, I want to do this film because I like the story," and that's a very close topic for me because my life is supported by all help. I can do my shootings or my shows because of all my help, and they are integral part of my life, not just as help but as family. So
Absolutely.
yeah, so it is dedicated to them. This story is dedicated to them, and they have their dreams, and I completely believe in their dreams, and I want them to achieve their dreams also. So I completely I could
Resonated.
empathize, yeah, with the story, with the characters, and I have learned, not that I was always an inclusive person, but yes, I have learned through my art, through my, because of my work, that how to be inclusive is so necessary in life, and there has to be collaboration with all people, and you have to work together. It's not that somebody serves you, or you have to serve them, they have to serve you. It's a give and take thing, and we all are equals. So I really believe in that principle, and I loved Rohena. I loved her, the way she told the story,
Yes.
narrated the story. The rehearsals, we did a 2-3 hour workshop, me and Tilottama, and we just jammed, and we were like we were on the same page from the beginning. And because I had seen Tilottama's work, I'm her fan, and I love
Same
her
here.
work a lot. And she had seen my plays and all. She had seen Court. She herself liked Court a lot. So we actually could connect with each other immediately, and I felt very nice, to work with her whenever all those market shots, and
Oh,
whenever
they were lovely.
yeah, so whenever we were buying and everything, we had that connection. And Rohena was superb. Like, मुझे तो ऐसे लगा ही नहीं I was shooting. I thought that, yeah, the only thing I learned for the shoot was like riding a bike. I can't ride a bike.
Oh, nice.
I
Oh,
can
that,
I
yeah, yeah,
can drive,
actually.
but I cannot ride a bike, because in Bombay you never need to
Correct. It's
know
better
this
not to
two-wheeler.
also.
Yeah, so I always till my, I think, graduation, I always traveled in trains and buses and rickshaws, and when I could afford to buy a car, I bought a car and I started driving. So I never thought that I will ever have to ride a two-wheeler, but
Sorry, can
yeah,
you still see me, hear me?
yeah, I
Ah,
can. Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Ah. No, I think your and Tilottama's chemistry really came across, and it actually looked like two friends were just hanging out and chilling, and it didn't really come across as the characters per se, in terms of
Hmm.
that the whole camaraderie that you had. And
Yeah.
I've had a brief interaction with Tilottama in one of these flea markets, where she was
Hmm.
actually she was, I think she was running a stall or something, and she was actually serving people coffee. And if you like
Yeah.
speak to her, she is so
Yeah.
different. As in, she's such a different personality from the character she has played.
Yeah.
It's absolutely mind blowing, just the
Yeah,
way
yeah,
you all
absolutely.
lived the story. And
Yeah,
again, definitely kudos to Rohena for telling the story
absolutely.
so
Like,
sensitively.
sensitively. And I'll tell you one thing, the dialogues were so, I never felt that I'm मतलब ये scripted है.
हाँ, हमको भी
लक्ष्मी's
नहीं लग रहा
dialogues
था.
was, हाँ, बिल्कुल, मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगा, I don't remember by hearting them also. They
करेक्ट.
were so
हाँ, बहुत
natural.
बहुत कैजुअल,
हाँ,
बहुत नेचुरल.
right, right. बहुत ही मतलब अपने आप वो मुंह में आ गया था. I don't have to take an effort to buy heart those lines. अरे क्या है lines
हाँ,
मेरी. नहीं, बहुत ही naturally, and of course she gives a lot of room also कि नहीं, to if you want to change
to
something and
improvise.
all. Yeah.
Like,
So
I
yeah.
loved your line where you tell the वो वॉचमैन को बोलते हो ना आप, कि तू पैदा भी नहीं होता तब से मैं
तब
बाइक
से मैं
चला
गाड़ी
रही हूँ.
चला रही हूँ. And before that, I had done a mishap with the bike,
अच्छा.
and
ओ
I had to
गॉड.
say that line. मैंने कहा मेरे को अभी यही डायलॉग से समझ में आएगा कि मुझे एक्टिंग आती है या नहीं
कितनी
आती
अच्छी
है.
एक्टर हूँ मैं. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. सो नाउ वी नो व्हाट एन एक्टर, एंड there's no two ways about it. But no, I'm so glad I got to see Sir before we spoke.
Yeah.
Karan, I really wanted to talk about it with you. But let's go a little behind in your whole
Hmm.
life. Let's try and rewind a little bit. When Let me remind you of your first ever, or maybe you had more before that, but from what I've learned about you, your first leap of faith, was it joining NSD?
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
you had no background. Maybe you were an audience, right? Before that, you grew up
No,
on
I had,
Marathi natak.
no, I've always acted on stage since my childhood, I think. But I always wanted to be an actor, but never had this courage, or even I couldn't imagine also me being an actor, because it was so far-fetched.
Why?
Always.
Hmm.
Yeah. But I was always active on stage, I used to do in skits in Ganpati, or I had joined Ruya's. I was in Ruya, so I joined this dramatic circle there. So I
Dramatic.
was always acting, yeah. But NSD was a leap of faith because I was not. When I entered Ruya, I realized that in my colony, I used to be very, I was fully into it, and I used to feel कि मुझे सब आता है. But when I went to NSD, I realized I know to Ruya, sorry, I realized I know nothing about plays. I have not read plays. I'm not, I used to do everything on my instinct. So
Hmm.
I started reading plays, and I realized it's very difficult. So I was not sure when
Hmm.
I submitted the form. I was not sure whether I'll be shortlisted or not, whether I'll be called for the interview or not, for the workshop or not.
Hmm.
But fortunately, I think my age was a big support to me because I was just 20
Wow.
when I applied for NSD, and they were looking for young people also, other than experienced people, because they wanted a balance between young and experienced. Because generally they ask for experienced actors, but they
Okay.
since I think 2-3 years back they had some 0 year because of some students' problems. So they were trying to manage. If everybody experienced, all experienced students come in, then they start doing morchas and also they got frightened and they used to combine with newcomers who will be like only student kind
Balanced.
of
Yeah.
people. Yeah. So I think
Correct.
that was the strategy that, during that time, and I got lucky. I got admission, and yeah, that changed my life completely. I always say that's my NSD was my rebirth. It's like वो
Yeah.
कहते हैं ना before Christ, AD वगैरह ऐसे जब होता है जो होता है
Before
वैसा
NSD,
मेरे
after.
before NSD after NSD is like that. I was completely a
And
different
what
person
was the
before.
biggest, yeah, what was the biggest change? Because you say rebirth, I'm very curious. Like, what was the biggest change you saw in yourself after NSD?
Yeah, basically before that, I had never thought of my life. I was never a good student. I was never good at
Ah.
anything. I had done
Hmm.
only masti in my life. I had done all mawali giri in my life. I had a lot of friends. मतलब मेरी अभी जो नीज वगैरह ना मुझे ना विच गेम यूज टू प्ले मैंने कहा जो ओलंपिक्स और एशियड में नहीं है ना वो सब खेला है मैंने मतलब लगोरी
Ah.
सलची पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ से गेम किंग्स पता नहीं कहाँ कौन से गेम्स इजाद किए थे हम लोगों ने और वो सब तो देयर वाज नो फोकस है ना only thing is I used to love drama that I knew and
Hmm.
yeah that was the only thing which I knew rather and
Correct.
I'd done some research and because I was a BA student I had
Hmm.
some
Hmm.
good professors so yeah some research in economics and some research in history when I had a history subject so I never enjoyed my school I never enjoyed my college apart from some few teachers who really who really inspired me but when I
Hmm.
went to NSD I realized how a learning institute should be and
Hmm.
that's the major I started enjoying learning
Wow.
so that is the main thing which and I thought why my school was not like this if my school was like this I would have been a
Different
better
person.
better at education I could have secured
Correct.
good grades or whatever or I would have pursued
But this
academics
is
or something
also
like that
kind of education only, no?
yeah,
It's
but
also
yeah, of course, I'm completely like I feel that whatever I am today is because of NSD, and there is no regret at all. Well,
correct.
real,
Correct.
and that was a very difficult decision for me because my parents
Hmm.
were not very supportive me going into NSD because they felt that as a hobby it's okay, but you cannot take it as a profession. So
Profession.
they always forced me to do my maybe PhD or something, and I teach acting. And I always wanted to be a
Oh,
practicing actor. So yes, it took me a lot of effort to convince myself that yes, I am going to get into it. and thanks to scholarships, because it was hardly any money at that time. It was
$600, no? It was 600 rupees, I think.
yeah, yeah, something like that. And yeah, but it meant a lot, because sorry, just a sec, I'm running out of battery. I think I have to
No, no
charge my
problem,
phone.
no problem.
So yeah, so it was just 600 rupees or something like that, but that really helped me. And I feel that scholarships are so important, even even if you are from a middle class family. It's not
Hmm.
necessarily that you have money and you can afford everything.
Correct,
You need that kind of support from the government,
correct.
to be able to
Pursue what you want to
give
do.
me a second. Yeah, just give me a second. Just a second, na? Just a second.
Yes, yes. So while we are waiting, I'm just saying hi to everyone who joined. I think Sharvari joined, and I want to say thank you, Sharvari, because I know Geetu and the brilliance of Geetu because of you today. So while Geetanjali is charging her phone, I'm just going to say a big shout out to Sharvari, who is our common friend, who is also an actor, and one of the loveliest people I know. She's one of my favorite people. So thank you, Sharvari. If you're still watching, please. Yeah, there she is. Are you back?
Yeah, can you now can you hear me now?
You're perfectly clear. Yes,
Okay,
clear,
okay,
very
yeah,
clear.
yeah, yeah,
I was
yeah.
just saying thank you to Sharvari in the meanwhile while you were charging
Oh,
your
hi,
phone. Uh,
Sharvari. We are friends
so I
because of
said, let me
her.
say thank you.
Yeah,
Exactly. So that is exactly what I said. So she deserves a big thank you here and a big
yeah, yeah, yeah,
mention. But
yeah, yeah,
coming back
absolutely.
to your, what
Yeah, so
yeah,
I think
coming back to what you were
scholarships,
talking about.
yeah, scholarships are very important. See, I've come from a
Hmm,
privileged background, and then too I needed scholarships. So imagine what is the plight of
correct.
people who come from underprivileged
Who need
background, who
it.
don't have background of education. You come from farmers' family, or from different, who are working class. So I think government
Correct.
scholarships are very necessary, and because of scholarship, I could join NSD, and I was an adult at that time. I was 20 years old, but I didn't have that daring to go against my parents. But because of this
Hmm.
small financial support, I could tell them that no, I want to go, and I'm not going to listen to you because I have this scholarship.
I
Then they
already have the
automatically,
means. Correct.
yeah. So after a point, they, of course, they agreed, and they said yes, and there was nothing. They didn't agree, or they didn't support me after
But
that.
that's so nice. Like even these small things really matter, no? Because it kind of gave you some power over them.
Absolutely,
Or you had already
absolutely.
achieved something before you went in there. That
Yeah,
somebody showed that confidence in you and said, "Hey, we can
yeah,
invest that much in you."
yeah,
So
and that
it's a
was the
big,
first thing in my life, which, like, really, something serious had happened in my life. Till then,
right,
marks wise or anything academically, or in my person, there was no achievement as such. The small prizes here and there, but
here
that
and
didn't.
there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But this was a major thing, getting, and that to National School of Drama. So they उनका भी
Exactly.
थोड़ा they also got little कि नहीं बोले, लेकिन such an esteemed
How can
institute.
we say no? Huh?
Yeah, yeah. How can we reject it? Huh? So
Correct,
yeah,
correct.
so yeah, that was a big, I think, leap of faith, and really, I am thank God that I don't believe in God, but still, that thanks to
Thank the
that,
force,
yeah,
whatever,
that
whichever
time that
force.
yeah. Otherwise, I would have been a completely different person.
Correct. And when I thought of this idea and just the idea of leap of faith, and I've been talking to so many people of late to explore different aspects of it, and it kind of brings out different stories from different people. You
Yeah.
were one of the first names I had, like on my first five. You were one of
Huh.
the first five, and the reason behind that, and we had also a separate discussion when I approached you, and the
Yeah.
reason was that when you talk of leap of faith, people always think about something really big कि अरे वो
Hmm.
and even the stories I've explored before this, whether it was Shilpa quitting her corporate career and taking up acting after 20 years of working
Hmm. Hmm.
for another company, or
Yeah.
the writer Kuldeep I spoke to. The reason I wanted to really bring you on and talk to you about this is because leap of faith, I think, need not be so drastic, और ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि यार इतना बड़ा कुछ था और मैंने छोड़ दिया. I feel like what inspires me about you is the fact that you found your purpose very early in life. आजकल, if you look at 20-year-old kids, they are lost. I was lost at 20. I still don't know what I want to do. I feel like I want to do everything. Like मुझे वीडियोस भी बनाने हैं, फिर मुझे काम जॉब भी करना है, फिर मुझे जॉब नहीं भी करना है. So I'm always still at this time also fickle minded. But you
The
found
reason
your
is you know a
purpose.
lot of things. I know only one thing.
No.
तो मैंने ये कर
No,
रही
but you
वही कर.
found your purpose. I don't even know if I know. I'm just doing it. I'm like, करना है, अभी कर लेते हैं. And then I get bored also very, very fast. So what I admire is at 20, you found your purpose. And till today, it's 20 years later, you are still invested in the same purpose. And I think that is beautiful. I don't see myself, at least right now, I don't know if there was anything, that I have invested or kind of found and then said, oh, this is something I can do all my life. So that's the inspiration I draw from you. And I really want to talk to you about what it takes. Once you have found your purpose, the harder part is to pursue it. What do you do to actually, hone your craft, to move forward with it, not lose hope at times, which there may be times which are, not very happy or whatever. But how do you keep going? What keeps you going? So I wanted to bring you on to talk about that.
Basically I think the temperament matters a lot. What kind of person you are. You have to understand yourself for that. It's not that I have done something like this, तो वो दूसरे के लिए fit होगा. So you have to find, and of course that takes time. So the reason I am like this, I feel, is because first of all, I took the decision of being an actor. It was my responsibility. So that was a major thing. It's my responsibility. It's my decision. Nobody has forced me. So it will be my duty to accomplish whatever I want. So that was the first thing. Second thing was, I think when I started my career, that was in 2000 or something. Sorry, 1996, when I passed out from National School of Drama. There was no internet. We didn't have money. We didn't have internet. Confidence भी ऐसे ही होता था हमारे टाइम. अब भी जितने confident लोग रहते हैं उतना confidence नहीं रहता था. और freedom भी एक limited ही रहता था, because there was not. अभी जितना freedom है ना, there are OTT platforms, there is TV, there is films, there are so many things. Theater, बहुत सारी चीज, even theater, there are so many things happening.
Correct.
तो ये इतनी opportunities नहीं थी. So आप जो करते हो वो you had to do it, diligently. There was no other way only. तो पता नहीं, अगर मैं आज पैदा होती तो I would have been a different person. You are product of that era. You're always product of that era. What is happening? Coming from middle class, we didn't have that kind of money also. कि अरे नहीं क्या करूँ. अभी कैसे, if you're from a particular class, you have some support from your family. ना कुछ तो रहता है. बहुत ज्यादा जीरो से शुरुआत बहुत कम लोगों को, इन द सेंस आई अंडरस्टैंड, जो गांव से आते हैं या ना बहुत अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड बैकग्राउंड से, उनको उतना ही स्ट्रगल करना. लेकिन टिपिकल एक जो मिडिल क्लास, लोअर मिडिल क्लास या है, उनको काफी सपोर्ट करते हैं. देयर इज मनी,
एक्सेस तो है, एक्सेस है,
एक्सेस तो है.
ये नहीं हुआ तो वो कर सकते,
तो वो भी नहीं था. सो ऑप्शंस इतने नहीं थे. सो आई थिंक दैट आल्सो हेल्प मी अ लॉट. एंड अगेन दैट ना, आई एम ए पर्सन लाइक दैट, कि एक बार मैंने कुछ चुना तो मैं उसके पीछे लगती हूँ, फिर मैं उससे हटती नहीं हूँ. तो मुझे कितने लोगों ने क्या क्या बताया था. मतलब एक तो एनएसडी से आने के बाद आपको बहुत बातें सुननी पड़ती है लोगों की ना. एनएसडी भी कुछ सिखाते हैं, स्पेशली इन महाराष्ट्र. आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू मराठी थिएटर. मराठी थिएटर वाले तो एनएसडी को, ये ना एनएसडी वाले ऐसी है, इनका क्या है, इन्होंने क्या किया है, मैक्सिमम लोगों को ऐसे बोलते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर माइट बी सम एग्जांपल्स इन, मतलब, और बिना एनर्जी के भी अच्छे एक्टर्स मराठी थिएटर में हैं, तो उसके वजह से भी इट डजंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू. एंड प्लस आई वाज न्यू, आई वाज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट, आई हैड नॉट, I didn't have that kind of experience. I didn't have that kind of craft also at that time. तो मुझे पता नहीं था what I was going to do. और एक पर्सनालिटी भी ना थोड़ी ऐसी यही थी, मतलब अभी भी वैसी है कि डरने वाली है ना,
अभी भी
नॉट।
वैसी है। एग्जैक्टली मैं वही मुझे बस बोलना है जो भी देख रहे हैं कि जब मैंने पहली बार फोन किया था गीतांजलि को, मैंने बोला विल यू प्लीज कम एंड चैट विथ मी ऑन दिस लीप ऑफ फेथ, एंड योर फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स was, अगं पण मी काय केलंय? And I'm like, do I have to start from there? Do I have to tell how many fans you have and what impact you have, your work has had on people? So, yeah, I completely hear you when you
हाँ
say
हाँ,
that.
तो ऐसे सच में अभी भी लगता है मुझे, लेकिन जस्ट बिकॉज योर फ्रेंड आई एम कंफर्टेबल विथ यू, और इसीलिए मैं बात कर
Correct.
पा रही हूँ। तो तो वो था। और बहुत लोगों ने बोला रहे तू तो बैंक ज्वाइन कर, तुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा, यू वोंट मेक इट एट ऑल। लेकिन तभी आता ना कि हमने मतलब मैं ऐसे क्यों, अच्छा ये बताया
एनएसडी
कि
कर
मुझे
लिया।
अभी मैं
हाँ
दिखाती हूँ ऐसे थोड़ा सा था तब। एंड
हाँ
आई जॉइंड आविष्कार, एंड थैंकफुली इन महाराष्ट्र वी हैव सच ग्रुप्स, कि जहाँ पे आप रोज जाके अपना जो क्राफ्ट है उस पर काम कर सकते हो। आपके ही मतलब यंगस्टर्स लाइक यू आर देयर अराउंड टू यू कोलैबोरेट, यू मेक गुड वर्क आउट ऑफ इट, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं। दैट प्रैक्टिस इज नेसेसरी फॉर एक्टिंग, प्रैक्टिस इज नेसेसरी, इट्स नॉट दैट nobody can become an actor, ऐसा मैं बिल्कुल नहीं मानती। everybody can become an actor but you need that practice, and
करेक्ट।
automatic, it's a very, especially theater is a very inclusive art, मतलब ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है दुनिया में जो एक्टिंग नहीं कर पाएगा, everybody can do if with a little bit of practice and everything। हाँ, अभी आपको सक्सेस या पैसा, ग्लैमर, ये सब अलग चीज है।
फेम। हाँ
Yeah, well,
हाँ
that is different. But you can act in a play. Anybody. मतलब even I can ask my mother and I'll rehearse with her, and I'm sure in a year she'll be ready to be on stage and do a particular role. तो इतना मैं
वाओ।
I was तो I kept on rehearsing a lot, and I kept on doing group theater, which was amateur theater कहते हैं उसे, लेकिन I did very good plays which had like 50 shows, 100
यस।
shows, बुद्धिवरण जब्बू, संगीत डेबूचा मुली,
पिया
और
बहरूपिया,
पिया
which is
बेरू के
my
तो अब भी
favorite।
किया नहीं, दैट टाइम आई एम सेइंग 2000।
ओ अच्छा, इनिशियली।
हाँ, तो उसके वजह से मुझे एक कॉन्फिडेंस मिला क्राफ्ट का। फिर धीरे धीरे मैंने डिड प्रोफेशनल प्ले इन 2007 विथ परेश मुकाशी,
हम्म।
कंपोज बोम्बिलवाड़ी, मराठी
भूकंप।
प्रोफेशनल प्ले, कमर्शियल प्ले, जिसमें पहली बार मुझे पैसे मिले। तो दैट गेव मी a confidence, and that we did 500 shows in 2 years, and
वाओ।
Paresh was the person who really gave me confidence that I can act, and he gave me a system, what I can follow, and that
हम्म।
really helped me as an actor, as a person, because जब आप आते हो आपके पास कुछ नहीं है, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, काम नहीं है, आपको लोग बार बार जज कर रहे हैं, तो आपको सच में डर रहता है। पीपल आजू बाजू में तो, और मम्मी पापा तो मतलब यही कर रहे थे ना कि देख हमने तुमको बोला था मत जाओ,
हाँ, they were
नौकरी
waiting for
करो।
you to basically, हाँ, for something to go wrong।
हाँ हाँ, तो ये सब।
हाँ कि बोल। हाँ।
हाँ, तो 7 साल लग गए टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई वांटेड, एंड आफ्टर doing plays for 3-4 years I realized that I cannot do any commercial play. There has to be
Which was your dream, right? Which was what you
yeah, when I
wanted to
went
do.
yeah, when I went
That's
to
why you joined
NSDR,
NSD।
या मेरा ये था कि आई वांट टू डू कमर्शियल मराठी प्ले। वो जो एड आती है मराठी पेपर में दूसरे पेज पे, वहां पे अपना फोटो आना चाहिए, शिवाजी मंदिर आणि गीतांजलि कुलकर्णी, यही था ड्रीम। तो पर मुझे समझ में, व्हेन आई डिड 2-3 मराठी प्लेज, first two were very good because Paresh Mukashi was there, he was the writer, his sensibility is completely different. Paresh Mukashi is the person who directed Harish Chandrachi Factory, who is writer and director of Harish Chandrachi Factory, Elizabeth Ekadashi. So his sensibility was completely different, and
Different, हाँ।
generally commercial plays, not necessarily all plays were like this. So I
Correct।
did a play called Vaiga Kamalat Zali, and it really, I couldn't enjoy that play at all, though it was a successful play, average successful play, but I couldn't enjoy it. I said, no, this is not the story I want to be part of. I don't want to tell this story because it was
Wow।
regressive about, it was commenting about women and all, whatever. तो शादी में कैसे जो जोक्स आते हैं ना शादी के, जो
हस्बैंड वाइफ
वाइव्स,
वाले। हाँ
हाँ वाइव्स को जनरली ऐसे डेरोगेटरी देते हैं, तो ऐसा
हाँ
टाइप का था। इट
हाँ।
वाज अ फन प्ले, पॉपकॉर्न खाते खाते, किसी को ऐसा कुछ नहीं लग रहा था, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा था बिकॉज आई हैड स्टडीड थिएटर। मुझे समझ में आ रहा था कि बाप रे, ये एस्थेटिक्स अलग है, this is not my kind of aesthetics. And it really
Which is
shook me.
amazing.
It shook me. Actually, it shook me. मैं wings में ना I used to be very tensed कि बाप रे ये लाइनें बोलनी है मुझे जाके. I stopped doing theatre after that.
Because
And
of this? Because of this?
yeah. Because I started questioning कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्योंकि scripts तो ऐसे हैं. Every time Paresh Mukherjee is not going to write a play for us, you know. And so हमको ढूंढना पड़ेगा कुछ.
Correct.
And I was not a star कि मैं खुद कुछ करूं. तो मतलब that power I didn't have.
Correct.
फिर मैंने सोचा क्या करूं, तो I tried TV during that time. I earned some money and I produced my own play. So that was again a very big leap of faith, you know, producing my own play, because I never imagined till that time that I could ever produce a play. And I acted in that. We did only 30-35 shows, not many shows, but we went to a lot of cities, we toured a lot, and I used to manage everything. मतलब चाय से लेके acting तक. This was called Ek Rikami Bazu. It was on breast cancer.
Right. Okay. I have not seen it, but I've read about it. Correct.
Yeah. So it was an important play of my life, because that was the whole project which I created from
The story
producing.
you wanted to tell.
Yeah, the story and then I realized, this is the thing I look for, you know. The story should connect to me. I should agree with the politics of it. I should agree with the aesthetics
that
of
you
it.
are working.
Yeah, and not necessarily it should be always message oriented or something like that, but it has to have some aesthetic value. That's what I realized. And after that, you know, all my experimental plays started happening. Sex, Morality and Censorship with Sunil Shanbag, Manav Calls, Mumtaz Bhai Patangwale, Mohit Takarkar's Gajab Kahani, Piya Behrupia with Atul Kumar. And that time I got caught. And Piya Behrupia was again a leap of faith, because I performed at Globe, and you know,
what a play that is.
And I never imagined I would be performing at Globe. And there is a story actually in 2007. It is very like a magical story for leap of faith. That's why I'm telling you. I'm sharing it.
Please.
In 2007, I had gone to UK just for a personal trip with my husband. And when I had gone there, we went to London to see theatre, and we went to Globe Theatre. We saw a midnight show of Othello of some group, which was an okay show, but at Globe, a midnight show. And
the experience.
And I'd studied Globe Theatre. I had made a model of Globe Theatre in my theatre architecture class and everything, but I'd never imagined that I will go and see it. And when I saw a performance there, I told my husband that I want to perform on this stage.
Wow.
And this is the place, this is an actor's space, so I want to perform there. So in 2012, I was performing there, Piya Behrupia. And that was like what you visualize and what you think, you can achieve it. That's what I thought.
You can achieve it.
Yeah. So, of course, now the situations are different. I imagined that. I visualized it. I saw the opportunity also. Of course, I work towards it. I completely believe in मेहनत. मतलब मेहनत से सब कुछ आप एक हद तक जरूर मिलेगा आपको, कुछ चाहिए तो. और मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि सब कुछ मतलब पैसा वैसा, पैसे के लिए भी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, लेकिन then you have to be very focused about money. तो मैंने पैसे नहीं कमाए,
पैसे के लिए करना है.
हाँ, मैं पैसे के लिए कर रहा हूँ, मुझे पैसे कमाने. That's okay. Your priorities have to be very clear. For me, my priority was I have to be happy whatever I'm doing. मुझे खुश रहना है, और मुझे एक प्रोजेक्ट के बाद मुझे खुशी मिलनी चाहिए कि आई एम पार्ट ऑफ दिस. ये मुझे खुशी मिलनी चाहिए.
And you can perform it like over 200, 300, 400 times. You can do the same character again. How do you bring that excitement every time? Like, you know, you must be knowing now by heart, no, all these plays which you've done 200 times, 300 times. But then how do you remain excited every time you're going to perform the same play?
Again, I think that's also temperament, what kind of person you are. Not necessarily every person will feel that. But I am that sort of a person who likes repetition. I like to repeat. I like to, you know, I don't change. मतलब कपड़े भी मैं बहुत सालों तक वही पहनूंगी. I'm like that. तो it's not just इस बार. हाँ, तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी मेरे बहुत पुराने. Sharwari is 25 years old friend. तो
Yeah.
तो ऐसे बहुत होता है मेरा, मतलब I am like that. So it's not just about this craft. Holistically, I'm a person like that. I won't change कि अभी
It's
ये अभी
you as a
वो
person.
yeah. So that is, तो मेरा स्वभाव ही ऐसा है. तो वही मुझे लगता है for us, especially in this era, we have to know what we are. मैं क्या हूँ ये अगर हम नहीं ढूंढेंगे, नहीं पाए, तो अपने को कभी पीस ऑफ माइंड मिलेगा ही नहीं. तो वी हैव टू यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट इन एनीथिंग. मतलब मुझे BMW चाहिए तो मुझे अलग काम करना पड़ेगा, फिर मैं कोर्ट नहीं कर पाऊंगी. मुझे कोर्ट करना है तो मैं ट्रेन से और बस से ही जाना पड़ेगा मुझे. तो दैट यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर. मुझे जारा के कपड़े नहीं अफोर्ड कर पाऊंगी मैं अगर इंडिपेंडेंट सर और कोर्ट और ऐसे फिर मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा जो ना बहुत कमर्शियल है और बहुत जिसमें पैसे मिलेंगे. Then maybe I can afford that kind of lifestyle. So I'm very clear about it that my needs are less. And because मेरा जो मुझे वो झटका बैठा था मराठी कमर्शियल नाटक का, वो मेरे लिए अभी तक, and that really has made so I always feel failures are necessary in life. Failures are necessary. There time where you don't get anything because that time you think.
Your lows,
Your lows are very important because that time you search yourself. हमेशा मिलता गया, हमेशा सक्सेस मिलता गया तो आपको तो समझेगा ही नहीं आप कौन से ट्रिप पे हो. तो मुझे जब भी लगता है कि मुझे शुरुआत में सक्सेस नहीं मिला, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट, क्योंकि मुझे फिर कोर्ट नहीं मिलती. बिकॉज कोर्ट के लिए ऐसे एक्टर चाहिए थे जो फेमस नहीं है, जो
बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपोजर नहीं था. करेक्ट.
एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. माय डेब्यू फिल्म वाज ऑलमोस्ट कोर्ट. आई हैव डन बिफोर छोटे छोटे रोल्स के थे कि इम्पोर्टेंट काम जो है मेरा कोर्ट का, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर दैट.
और सीधा ऑस्कर, मतलब
वेनिस फिल्म फेस्टिवल,
छोटा मोटा वेनिस फिल्म फेस्टिवल,
yeah, 30 international, yeah. So I feel so proud of that, and the reason being I really wanted that, and that you have to search exactly what you want, you know. Not that I knew specifically that I want to do this kind of work, but that zone, you know, from 2009 onwards I'm doing or I'm part of projects which are experimental, which are research oriented, which are not very glamorous, not very big, which are ensemble projects. तो ये सब 10 साल के काम के बाद मुझे court मिली है. From 2009 I started, and 2014 court happened.
And all this, you know, all the names that you took right now, all of them are very process oriented, and you have spoken about process a lot. And you said this before that you love your process. So talk through that. Like, what is your process of, say, approaching a particular role? How do you select a particular role that you want to do? And then once you have taken it, then how do you really live that journey?
It depends from project to project, of course, how much time it is. But like for the courts process was very interesting because we took almost 6 months. You know, even casting was at a very last moment. You know, just 2 months before. 6 months I was in that process. I was workshopping. And I didn't mind that. मुझे मेरे पास तो वक्त है, रोल अच्छा लगा है तो ये नहीं कि मुझे मिलेगा कि नहीं. ये मैंने बोला था चैतन्य को और सचित पुराणिक हमारे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर जो थे कि आप जितना समय लगाना हो लगाओ, मुझे ये स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगी, आखिरी मोमेंट तक आप मुझे नहीं बोलोगे कि वेदर आई एम पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म और नॉट, आई डोंट माइंड. सो वो दैट इज वेरी नेसेसरी. यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर इन माइंड कि अरे पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं, मुझे ये भी नहीं है. नहीं, फिर नहीं, आपको अच्छा लगा, आपको पता है तो ऑफकोर्स अगेन माई कंडीशन वॉज लाइक दैट. मतलब आई कुड अफोर्ड डूइंग दैट. मुझे मेरे ब्रेड एंड बटर के लिए पैसे नहीं कमाने थे. तो अगर किसी को दूसरे को पैसे कमाने डेली से करना तो वो ये नहीं कर पाएंगे, which I completely understand. So it depends what kind of person you are, what kind of your position is economically, socially. Then you can decide all these things.
Correct.
So yeah, so I like process, and I can give 6 months, 7 months. Even in Chaitanya's film, we did 60 takes, 70 takes, but I never got bored. So and we didn't know also at that time. You have experience with Chaitanya, so you know.
I have, and I think I was the worst to have on set because I have cribbed for 2 nights completely. How many takes? Like अजून झालं नाही, एकच लाईन आहे, परत बोलायची मला सेम लाईन. And the thing is, you don't know what is whether it's wrong or right, whether he's
Yeah,
because he will
yeah,
come and he'll say, "Oh, amazing, very good, all good. अजून एक करूया." Why?
yeah.
Why अजून एक करूया? Why? सगळं तर ठीक होतं. But since we brought up, quote, I don't want to stop at that because there are some amazing characters, other characters that you have played, which are my favorites, and we'll talk little bit about them. So I'll take the name of the character that you have played and tell me anything that really resonated with you, or anything you would like to say about that character. So let's talk about Ram Pyari from Photograph.
Hmm. That's my
What
favorite character also. The
exactly?
re
What a character!
Yeah, the reason being I was actually approached by Ritesh Batra. Like I remember him meeting first at Mami when we got an award. The court got an award and said, "I want to work with you." And I was like, my God, Ritesh Batra saying that. And I was very happy. After 2 years, 3 years, when he was making photography, Sachit Puranik again, I think he was casting that time. So he approached me and he said, Ritesh wants to work with you. And I said, Hari Papre, मतलब सच में. So he offered me a role. And I said, I don't want to do this role, but I want to do this role. And he said, okay, you do it. And I was like
So you
surprised.
chose
Why?
Ram Pyari
Yeah, I chose
over
Ram
Sania
Pyari over
Malhotra's mom's role.
mom, yeah. And I
हाँ.
was surprised. I thought he won't leave. कि क्या ये actress है ये क्यों मतलब बता रही है मुझे क्या? But he is amazing as a person. I really admire him as a person, and I
And
really
why did you
enjoyed
pick
working.
Ram Pyari?
Again, I
Sorry,
picked
sorry.
Ram Pyari because एक तो मम्मी नहीं करना चाहती थी. I didn't want to play a mummy. I again another language, महाराष्ट्रियन या गुजराती मम्मी तो एक सेम क्लास तो दूसरा क्लास है दूसरी भाषा है तो आई रिसर्च अगेन आई लव प्रोसेस एज आई सेड सो
Yes,
इवन
yes, that's
रितेश
what I
डिड लॉट ऑफ
wanted to say.
रिहर्सल्स विद अस आई वेंट टू हमारा जो इस्त्री वाला है वो यूपी से है तो उनके घर में मैं गई वो उनकी घर में जो महिलाएं हैं उनसे बातें की रिकॉर्डिंग्स की वो जो क्या गाने गाते हैं वो क्या फेस्टिवल मनाते हैं
हाँ,
क्या
गुनगुनाती
रेसिपीज
है.
बनाते हैं हाँ तो वो
हाँ.
सब मैंने रिकॉर्ड करके लिया उसकी जो पायल है उसके डिजाइन मैंने लिए आई सेंड दोस पिक्चर्स टू रितेश कि मैंने ये रिकॉर्ड किया ये देखो ये तो आई एंजॉयड दैट तो पीपल
The
ट्रस्टिंग मी
process.
or gives me a lot of मतलब I always say don't
Confidence.
test me
हाँ.
trust me तो मैं if you trust me I will give you 100%. तो
Wow.
मैं बहुत मेहनत आई एम अ मेहनती पर्सन तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है मेहनत करना तो जो
और
इंटेलिजेंट
वो
नहीं होते ना
दिखता
वो बहुत
है.
ज्यादा मेहनत जो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होते वो बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करते हैं
ऐसा नहीं होता है. जो इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं वो ही मेहनत करते हैं क्योंकि उनको
तो
पता है
मैंने
कि देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट.
तो वो करके मुझे बहुत मजा आया वी डिड लॉट ऑफ रिहर्सल्स विद सानिया एंड ऑल एंड फिर बाद में हम सानिया रितेश मैं हम लोग बहुत हंसते थे बहुत मजा किया एंड मुझे इसीलिए और रितेश मतलब वो कुछ भी मुझे काम देना अगली फिल्म में या कभी भी जो काम करेंगे तो मैं हाँ बोलूंगी उनको बिकॉज मुझे वो एज अ पर्सन वो जो है मैंने ऐसा कभी दुनिया में किसी को नहीं देखा है जो
बट
इतने डाउन
कैरेक्टर
टू
यू विल
अर्थ
पिक. बट कैरेक्टर यू विल
now I will ask him to give me the character.
हाँ, हाँ,
एक बार उन्होंने
okay,
मेरे लिए ये
चलो.
किया है.
And same in the same language, of course, not the same class of characters, but same, North Indian belt में अभी गुल्लक आएगी,
Yeah.
and that is such a fabulous character, one of my favorite characters, because the way you said you didn't want to play mummy, but this is like iconic, classic मम्मी.
Yeah, but the
मतलब
reason
इससे
I
ज्यादा
not
मम्मी
just
नहीं है.
मम्मी, it's not just मेरे को
हाँ,
क्या है किसी की माँ ये नहीं है सिर्फ जो
हाँ,
निखिल
हाँ.
विजय ने पहले सीजन में लिखा था और अभी भी दुर्गेश सिंह ने जो लिखा that mom has a standing मतलब वो
Classic.
पहला डायलॉग ही क्या है कि रोज रोज अपनी चड्डियां वॉशिंग मशीन में छोड़ के चले जाते इतने बड़े हो गए अभी अपनी चड्डियां धोना नहीं सीखा इन्होंने तो दैट इज अ पावरफुल एम्पावर्ड मॉम हु इज टेकिंग डिसीजंस इन दैट हाउस हैंडलिंग ऑल थ्री मेन सो
Yes,
वो ऐसी ऐसी वैसी मम्मी नहीं है एंड अगेन द लैंग्वेज क्या हो
the
जाता है
language.
आजकल आजकल बहुत ज्यादा होने लगा है कि पहले ना नसीर जी को आप देखो कि पार के वो एक बंधुआ मजदूर भी हैं पेस्टन जी भी कर रहे हैं कथा में एक मिडिल क्लास महाराष्ट्रियन का भी रोल कर रहे हैं आजकल आप क्या आप यूपी से हो तो फिर आप यूपी का रोल करोगे आप मराठी हो तो आप मराठी मॉम करोगे
हाँ,
ये
क्योंकि
बहुत होने
रियल
लगा
दिखना चाहिए. हाँ,
हाँ तो अरे
हाँ.
एक्टर है यार हम कर सकते हैं हम कुछ अलग कर सकते हैं इसीलिए हमने वो सीखा है तो मुझे लगता है कि एक आदिल ने बहुत अच्छा शेयर किया था कि उसको किसी ने अप्रोच किया कि नहीं, if you wanted to cast you for a negative role, but your eyes are very बहुत ममता है आपके आंखों में। तो आदिल
Innocent,
ने कहा मैं
हाँ।
एक्टर हूँ, मैं बदल सकता हूँ अपनी आंखें।
That's
तो
amazing. ये भी
हाँ तो
अलग, मतलब this is the progression, no, how things have changed. इससे पहले
या
जब auditions होते होंगे तो you had to give different expressions कि ये एक dialogue 20 ways में बोल के दिखाओ। अभी I think the way we are casting, especially for web
वो
series and all, is
जनरली
like
लाइक वो क्या है,
कौन
रियलिस्टिक इतना
fit
हो गया
होता
है,
है।
तो
हाँ
रियलिस्टिक
हाँ,
तो नॉन एक्टर्स के साथ बहुत ज्यादा काम हो रहा है, तो ग्रामर भी चेंज हो रहा है ना, फिल्म का भी ग्रामर चेंज हो रहा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स
correct
देयर आर लॉट ऑफ
correct,
रीजंस, सो बट एज एन एक्टर फॉर मी इट इज वेरी ऑब्वियस कि
challenging.
अच्छा मैं सिर्फ मराठी करूँ, नहीं नहीं नहीं, मुझे करना है
नहीं,
बहुत अलग अलग चीजें, तो इसीलिए आई
of
टुक
course.
दैट चैलेंज एंड मैंने तो अमृत और अगेन प्रोसेस ओरिएंटेड काम, 10 दिन
Yes,
रिहर्सल की। मैंने बोला कि नहीं आप मुझे हर एक चीज बताओ, मेरी गलती होगी तो आप मुझे निकाल दो चाहिए तो, लेकिन मैं पूरी मेहनत लूंगी। तो वो किया एंड फर्स्ट सीजन में सच में आई गॉट सो मेनी
अरे क्या मजा
मैसेजेस।
आया।
मुझे
हाँ,
लगा अरे आप महाराष्ट्रियन हो, हमें तो लगा ही नहीं आप महाराष्ट्रियन हो, आपका काम देखने के
correct.
बाद अच्छा आप कोर्ट में, तो यू नो यू आई
You
थिंक
surprise everybody and yourself also every time.
या आई वाज आल्सो सरप्राइज बिकॉज मुझे बहुत टेंशन था सच कहूँ तो, बिकॉज जमील, हर्ष, वैभव
They are
तीनों
all
हिंदी
North
भाषी थे।
Indians, no?
या
हाँ,
और
yeah, yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं तो मुझे भी अभी समझ में आया कि कहीं ना कहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है कि समझ में आता है महाराष्ट्र में, बट टू कैरी दैट यू नो एक
हाँ,
ओवरऑल
नहीं
आपको
मतलब
कैरी
मुझे
करना।
समझ में आता है, हमको समझ में आता है obviously
या
because we
या
know the,
या
you know, where the nuktas are going and all of
या
that, but it's still a brilliant job, and again at the end of the day it's the character.
या
मतलब इतना
एब्सोल्युटली
एक्सेंट
हाँ
में अगर आप इतना परफॉर्म इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो तो वो थोड़ा सा मतलब इतना
या
नजर में नहीं आता है।
हाँ
इट
नहीं
जस्ट
ओवरऑल
गोज विद द
फ्लेवर आ जाए
कैरेक्टर।
ना देन ऑल्सो ऑडियंस एक्सेप्ट्स यू, लेकिन अगर बहुत ही मतलब
एक्सेप्ट,
मैं मराठी जैसे बोलूं तो
हाँ
नेचुरली वो
मराठी
पहला
हिंदी
एक,
बोल रहे हैं
हाँ तो फिर ये हो जाता था, बट आई
तो मजा
वो जो
नहीं आता।
टोन था वो मैंने पकड़ लिया तो वो आसान हो गया लोगों को भी बिलीव करना।
Correct. And one more character, my favorite character of you is Sarita. Actually, everything you've done is, I should stop saying favorite because I love every single, like if I know you are in a film, I will watch it, whatever happens. And I also feel like it's my filter कि अगर गीतू ने फिल्म की है तो ये फिल्म भी अच्छी है, ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ उसका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा है, ये फिल्म भी अच्छी ही होगी। एंड लाइक यू सेड, नो, इट इज सेइंग समथिंग फॉर श्योर। सो ताजमहल, सरिता,
ताजमहल
उसमें
या
एक सीन है when you are talking to your friend and you are telling her कि but ऐसा नहीं होता है, मतलब ये ऐसा नहीं है। and I was blown away. I sent you a little recording and I sent you a message also at that time saying
या
what did you just do, what have you done, मतलब
yeah actually
brilliant to another
Tajmahal
level.
came on like on my lap, I didn't do anything for that. It's just क्या कहते हैं ना मराठी मध्ये करते की पुण्याई असते तुमची काही तो वो था because of court, because of गुल्लक, all these things, Tajmahal
Correct.
just came to me and पुष्पेंद्र सर एक्चुअली बिलीव मी, यू नो उन्होंने फेथ रखा इसीलिए हो पाया। एंड इट वाज रिटन ब्यूटीफुली अगेन, द
Yes.
स्क्रिप्ट हैज टू बी गुड, यू नो एक्टर एक हद के बाद कुछ नहीं कर सकता। एंड को एक्टर्स नीरज, वर्किंग विद नीरज वाज सच अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस।
I'm sure.
या एब्सोल्युटली, तो हम बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं, नीरज, मैं, जमील, मैं, हम लोग एक ही समय हमने थिएटर शुरू किया था, वी ऑल न्यू ईच अदर, तो उनके ऐसे
Okay.
लोगों के साथ काम करने में भी मजा आता है बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस इन थिएटर, और
Wavelength
आपका
and हाँ,
या आपका अगेन यू नो यू ऑलमोस्ट वैसे ही आपके विचार होते हैं नाटक के बारे में या आर्ट के बारे में, तो काफी सारे विचार
correct.
सिमिलर थे, तो उसके वजह से बहुत आसान हो जाता है काम
So
करना।
was that a very author-backed role? मतलब उसमें you
वेरी
didn't
ऑर्थो
have,
बैक रोल, या
because it
अगेन
was
वेरी
very well written. You could
एब्सोल्युटली
tell.
एंड वेरी द डायलॉग्स अगेन वर सो, मतलब याद ही नहीं करने पड़े, इतना वो
तो
ये
वही
था।
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, मुझे ये लग रहा था कि क्योंकि your lines were so like this only, इतना regular कि but ऐसा नहीं होता है, but then that whole story came out there. You know, where
या
you're trying to tell her कि I need to separate, I need to like, you know, think about my life, and just in these lines, कि
या
but मतलब मूवी में जाते हैं but it's so real and it feels
हाँ
like you are saying them, but
या
I can imagine because I'm also been part of the process that these are actually written lines and somebody trusted you with them to
Yeah.
say them and tell the whole story. So that
हाँ.
was another mind
वो
blowing. I
एक्चुअली ना
found the
बहुत
series slow.
आइडेंटिफाइबल भी है कैरेक्टर, मेरे ही एज की है,
हाँ,
उसके काफी सारे
अच्छा for you.
जो डिलेमास थे वो मेरे भी हैं, तो मुझे बहुत रिलेट हुआ वो कैरेक्टर तो एक्सेप्ट फॉर फ्यू लाइंस व्हिच वर लाइक, मैं ये लाइन बोलूं कि सफदर कौन सफदर या फैज की लाइन में बोलूं ये तुमने लिखी हुई लाइंस है, तो दोज
ये
वर
आप नहीं
लाइक,
बोलोगे कभी.
हाँ या
हाँ,
मतलब ये मैं बोलूं, बाप रे 20 साल पहले शायद बोल देती, लेकिन अभी
कन्विंसिंगली नहीं बोल पाऊंगी. आई
मुझे
कांट
डर
से
लग रहा
दैट
था
इवन
कि
इन अ
ये
फिल्म.
मतलब क्या ये है लड़की औरत की, इसको पता नहीं फैज कौन, इसका हस्बैंड बेचारा फिलोसफी का प्रोफेसर है और ये
फिलोसोफर है. हाँ,
तो या
हाँ, नहीं
सो
वो
दोज
था.
वर द लाइंस, बट यस, बट
हम्म,
आई लाइक देयर आर पीपल एंड मतलब वो अच्छे इंसान हैं, अगर उन्होंने फैज नहीं पढ़ा है, शायद सफदर नहीं पढ़ा है या तेंदुलकर नहीं पढ़ा
वो
है,
हाँ,
दैट दैट डजंट मीन दैट दे डोंट हैव राइट टू लिव तो यस, देयर आर
एग्जैक्टली.
सच पीपल एंड दे आर वेरी वाइज एंड दे आर वेरी what do you say,
और क्या
loving people.
ब्यूटीफुली
Yeah,
रिटन था वो.
yeah.
हाँ, वो
ने
कैरेक्टर
बहुत अच्छा लिखा
इतना
था,
अच्छा था.
बहुत
डिस्पाइट
अच्छा.
बीइंग लाइक इवन द कमिंग ऑफ एज ऑफ दैट कैरेक्टर वाज वेरी सटल. ऐसा नहीं
Yep.
कि अचानक से जाके मतलब कुछ बहुत तोड़ू काम कर दिया और फिर लाइक टिपिकल हिंदी फिल्मों में जो गाड़ी में से जो सर निकाल के हवा बालों में जा, वो वाला. इट
हाँ,
इट वाज वेरी सटल कमिंग ऑफ एज कि बस
yeah.
वो छोड़ दिया, हो गया खत्म. But that
हम्म.
was the beauty, and I think only somebody like you only could have done that. So
I don't
again,
know.
totally hats off.
I'm really lucky to get that role. I feel because I अभी तक क्या हुआ था, गुल्लक के लिए या कोर्ट के लिए या फोटोग्राफ के लिए कुछ, मतलब कुछ मेहनत की थी, ये ऐसा हुआ कि अपने आप आ गया. दैट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ कंचन मराठे हु न्यू मी, हु न्यू माय वर्क, एंड पुष्पेंद्र सर बिकॉज ही हैड सीन कॉट. तो उन दोनों के वजह से ये हुआ directly, not auditioning, not casting director, nothing in between. And real, and that's what I always feel. I'm a person who, if you trust me, then I'll give my 101% to you, 100,000%. And अगर आप
And
बार
you'll
बार
get,
टेस्ट
yeah.
कर अगर आप बार बार टेस्ट करते रहोगे तो नहीं, मैं भाग जाऊंगी. आई एम
चली
नॉट अ
जाऊंगी. हाँ,
कॉम्पिटिटिव
मैं छोड़ दूँ.
आई एम नॉट अ कॉम्पिटिटिव
हाँ,
पर्सन. मुझे इससे तुम बेहतर हो या इससे तुम बेहतर हो, बाबा बाबा नहीं, सब लोग बेहतर है, मैं नहीं बेहतर हूँ, मैं जाती हूँ. ऐसा मेरा स्वभाव है. तो मुझे, लेकिन
जब
आप एक चीज दो.
एक्टर्स
हाँ,
जब
आप
एक्टर्स
मुझे.
बोलते हैं ना, लॉट ऑफ इंटरव्यूज में, सॉरी सॉरी, एक्टर्स बोलते हैं कि आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर ट्रूथ. और मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि क्या इसका क्या मतलब होता है कि आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर माय ट्रूथ. सो अगेन आफ्टर सीइंग योर वर्क, आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू यू, आई काइंड ऑफ स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट दे मीन बाय इट. बिकॉज
हम्म.
बहुत से एक्टर्स ये इंटरव्यूज में बोलते हैं कि हम
हम्म.
सच्चाई ढूंढ रहे हैं. क्या मतलब आज तक नहीं समझ पाई थी. बट
Yeah, it's
योर
a very
वर्क,
abstract
योर
process,
जर्नी.
Yeah,
या
acting is
या
a very abstract process. आपके हाथ में कुछ नहीं होता except for script और ये सब चीजें, और आपको वो क्रिएट करना होता है हमेशा जीरो से. तो
करेक्ट.
वो बहुत बार गलत भी हो सकता है. नॉट नेसेसरीली एवरी टाइम यू गेट दैट सुर. मतलब मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि बड़े बड़े जो सिंगर्स हैं, मतलब जैसे किशोरी आमोणकर, कुमार गंधर्व या भीमसेन जोशी, या इनके लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस में भी बहुत बार ऐसे उनके
गलतियां
इसमें
होती हैं.
एक्सपीरियंसेस में उन्होंने जो शेयर किया कि मुझे वो मिला नहीं सूर्य. तो हम तो कोई नहीं है यार, मतलब हम तो सिंपल एक्टर्स हैं जो लोकधर्मी काम कर रहे हैं. ऐसा भी नहीं कुछ कि कुछ इंटेंस क्लासिकल कर रहे हैं. तो इसमें तो मतलब और भी चांसेस हैं, क्योंकि इतना डाइल्यूटेड फॉर्म है, आर्ट फॉर्म है. इट्स नॉट लाइक म्यूजिक
करेक्ट.
या क्लासिकल डांस जिसमें एक बहुत
Is
सालों का काम.
that why you like theater more? Like, is that why you enjoy theater so much? कि वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा forgiving है than film?
हाँ, because it is very organic, I feel. There is no interference of technology or anything like that. I am performing. Like Grotowski, जो एक बहुत बड़े पोलिश एक्टर, डायरेक्टर, राइटर थे, उन्होंने कहा कि एक्टिंग इज अ स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी. तो मतलब वो अल्टीमेटली वो ऐसा काम करने लग गए कि ही स्टार्टेड परफॉर्मिंग फॉर हिमसेल्फ. उनका एक बहुत बड़ा ये था, वो पेड़ पे जाके चढ़ते थे. ही वाज इनटू फिजिकल थिएटर एंड एवरीथिंग. तो उनको पता भी नहीं होता था कि ऑडियंस है या नहीं है. तो इट्स दैट सॉर्ट
Wow.
ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस व्हेन यू डू थिएटर. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू फिल्म्स, it's director's medium, it's camera, it's you don't, it's
Correct.
not in your control at all कि कैसे दिखेगा, क्या होगा एडिटिंग में, ये आपके
You
हाथ
don't
में ही
know.
नहीं है. तो
Correct.
आफ्टर अ पॉइंट इट्स नॉट योर मीडियम एट ऑल, बट थिएटर इज नॉट लाइक दैट, थिएटर इज इन योर हैंड्स, तो इट्स एन
Right.
एक्टर्स मीडियम। तो आपको बहुत वो भी होता है ना कि अगर मेरा मीडियम है तो मुझे पता है मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं क्या नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मेरे
वो
कंट्रोल में है, मैं
पावर
काम
है।
कर,
हाँ,
या एंड
करेक्ट
अगेन इट्स
करेक्ट।
अगेन अ स्पिरिचुअल प्रोसेस कि मैं अपने जर्नी पे जा सकती हूँ। इट्स मोर क्लोजर टू परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स लाइक सिंगिंग। I think singing is the most pure form of a performing
पर्सनल,
art.
हाँ।
Yeah, it's very personal. I can sing for myself, even if there is no audience, doesn't matter. But generally, when you
But
dance or when you,
now we have an audience and we have 4 minutes. So sorry I cut you off, but because we have only 4 minutes, I had lot actually few more questions, but I'll give you a choice. Do you want to do like quick 4 or 5 questions which I have, which are basically about your what you like to watch, what you like to read, or could you do a small that would be my preference, but could you do a small monologue from Pia Berupia?
मोनोलॉग तो मुझे ऐसे फट से नहीं आ
Whichever.
जाएगा, लेकिन आई विल
ऐसे
डू
कुछ भी
वन,
छोटा सा।
या आई डू दैट शेरो शायरी विच जो है नौटंकी का शेरो शायरी जो है ना पिया बेरुके में,
कुछ भी।
आई डू दैट बिकॉज वो
हाँ,
थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग है। हाँ, क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स के ज्यादा ये मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा करना,
है ना। हाँ,
क्योंकि
ये
या
मुझे भी,
परफॉर्मेंस तो मेरे को
बिकॉज
हमेशा अच्छा।
3 मिनट है। हाँ, 3 मिनट है, तो आई डोंट वांट द क्वेश्चंस टू गेट कट ऑफ, सो यू
या
गो फॉर इट एंड आई वांट टू लीव एवरीबॉडी विद दिस अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस। तो अगर कट ऑफ होता है तो हम बाय बाय नहीं बोलेंगे, आप बस, आई एम लीविंग इट टू
ओके
यू नाउ।
ओके
आपका
या
स्टेज है।
सो ये पिया बेरुपिया जो नाटक है उसमें वो नौटंकी शैली में है, तो उसमें एक हम मैं जिसके लिए एक मैसेज लेके जाती हूँ उसके साथ एक शेरो शायरी जैसा है। तो उसमें एक शेर ऐसा है, लाया हूं संदेशा मोहब्बत भरा है ये जिसके लिए उसे कह दूं जरा, खुद खुदा ने बनाई ये तस्वीर है पार दिल के जो जाए, ये वो तीर है लेकिन रांझा है वो तेरा, उसकी तू हीर है, मेरे राजा की हालत गंभीर है, मेरे राजा की हालत गंभीर है, मेरे राजा की हालत गंभीर है।
वाह 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 वाह, मजा आ गया। See, I have
थैंक यू।
goosebumps already. Every time I watch you performing Pia Berupia is like, oh my God, I can't get my eyes off you only.
थैंक यू
And we
सो
still
मच।
have 2 minutes. So is there anything else that you want to say, sing, perform? I will make the most of it. I will not let you go before time.
या ऑफ कोर्स ऑफ कोर्स। एक बहुत ही प्यारा गाना है पिया बेरुपिया में ही जो मैं इंटरवल में गाती हूँ, इट्स अ लॉन्गिंग
Hmm.
सॉन्ग व्हिच आई लव अ लॉट एंड आई
Yeah, which you
सिंग
open your hair.
few 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 lines of it. चौक पुराओ माटी रंगाओ आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे, आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे, खबर सुनाऊं जो खुशी रे बताऊं जो, आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे, मेरी सखी मंगल गाओरी धरती अंबर सजाओरी, उतरेगी आज मेरे पी की सवारी, अरे कोई काजल लाओरी मुहे काला टीका लगाओरी, उनकी छब से दिखूं मैं तो प्यारी, लक्ष्मी जीवारो नजर उतारो, आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे। दिस इज द सॉन्ग।
Beautiful, beautiful. It's so
थैंक
beautiful.
यू
And thank you so much for your
थैंक
time
यू।
and for just being so open and just sharing your process and everything with us. See, Samiri Singh, you should start singing professionally as well. What
ना
a
बाबा।
voice. You know what I love the throw. बहुत कम लोगों की आवाज में इतना, even theater में I feel ऐसा throw होता है जो मतलब you feel like you have given it everything. मतलब जो है पूरी आवाज अभी निकाल रही हूँ, जो कसर है वो यहाँ पे निकल रही है.
all that is because of NSD. I'll say all my teachers at NSD, BB Karan, Bhaskar जी, उनके वजह से है. मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है.
और उनको भी थैंक यू, क्योंकि उनकी वजह से हमको गीतू का इतना सारा क्राफ्ट और फुल ऑफ टैलेंट देखने मिल रहा है. एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गुड लक. आई एम डेफिनेटली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. 15th को आ
we
रही
all
है
are. Yeah.
सोनी लिव पे.
Please watch
हाँ,
Good Luck on Sony Live second season. Also watch first season if you have not watched it.
Yes, also
and
watch first
also watch
season.
Sir on Netflix. So
yes,
Taj Mahal,
yes.
everything, whatever is there, please watch it and let me know
Everything.
what
Just
you
go
feel
check.
about
Yeah, गीतू का गीतू का पूरा फिल्मोग्राफी सबको देखना पड़ेगा आज.
it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashwini.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you everyone for joining.